Hey everyone, how's it going? So before this video gets started, if you want to save money on gas, if you're still paying full price for gas and you feel like you're still spending too much money on gas, there's a way to get 15 cents off per gallon if you use my code and link in the description down below for an app called Get Upside. Again, if you use my special promo code, you'll get 15 cents off per gallon. All of my friends use it, all of us use it. It's a new app. And I honestly can't believe that more people aren't using it. So if you haven't started yet using it, or at least try it out once and get 15 cents off per gallon. And then for life, you'll get discounts on your gas. And if you can refer a couple of your friends to use your code and link too, you can get up to 99 cents off per gallon, even more. It's crazy. You'll never have to pay full price for gas again. Use the link in the description down below for Get Upside. All right, now let's get on to the video. Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name's Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. This video that I'm going to share with you is about a screenshot that I found from Dustin Is Driving. So shout out to Dustin. He's another Rideshare YouTube channel. Check him out. Just type in Dustin Is Driving on YouTube and you'll find him. So shout out to him. But basically, yeah, here we go. I just want to share this with you guys. This is from a screenshot that I found on his YouTube channel. I don't know, someone sent it to him, I guess. I think he has a Facebook group, or he has a group chat or something. Oh no, probably somebody just texted to him or emailed him to him. But basically, yeah, we're gonna talk about this screenshot that we found about a patient, wow, I cannot talk today. Guys, I just woke up from a 2-hour nap and it's almost 8 p.m. and the sun's about to go down, and I'm like, I need to film really quick before the sun goes down so I can upload these tomorrow or tonight, whatever. Crazy. And I'm drinking a freaking mocha, double shot mocha. $4.45 for this freaking thing. Is that worth it, guys? I don't pay for it. Get Upside pays for it. I get cash back, so it's free for me. You can use the link down below for Get Upside and you can get free Starbucks or PayPal money. I mean, I just use it to pay for my Starbucks money. Hey, free coffee. I'm an addict. Oh, that hits different. Okay, so yeah, use the link down below for Get Upside if you want to get up to 25 cents off per gallon every single time you fill up gas. And if you use my link and code, you get up to 40 cents off. Because you get an additional 15 cents off per gallon. Honestly, you get $4 or $5 the first time you fill up. Might as well use it if you're already paying for gas, or if you're already buying gas. So here's a screenshot. I'm just gonna throw it up. One pickup note for Linda. Patient is COVID positive. So you can add, as a passenger, you can add a note for a pickup. Usually you might say, meet me at the back door of this restaurant, or gate code is whatever I've seen, or maybe they'll say, I'm standing by the bus stop, or I've seen those, or I have a service animal or something. What's another one? Maybe, I don't know. The ride is for my friend. Maybe, I've seen those too. But this one, guys, patient is COVID positive. So I'm assuming you're picking up from a hospital or a doctor's office, and the patient is positive. So, for one, actually, you're not allowed to ride with Uber or Lyft if you are positive. If you're tested positive, you can't ride. You should be deactivated. Uber and Lyft already announced that. You're deactivated until you get a letter clearance. Actually, I'm deactivated right now from Lyft because I told them that I was self-isolating. And I tried to give them a doctor's note and they said, oh, sorry, the doctor's note is not good enough. We need a better one with all these stipulations. So I need to call my doctor tomorrow and get that. Which, whatever. I mean, it's good that they're being extra cautious, but so this person, I mean, you can't I just want to talk about risk right now, because when you're driving Uber and Lyft right now, the one thing, the main reason why people aren't driving is people are scared to drive. They don't want to get sick. Can you blame them? No. The worst part is, like, that person, someone gets in, they're positive and they're sitting right here, They might be just simply breathing is going to kind of circulate within the vehicle. We could easily get, you could easily contract the virus. Look at this person in front of me. They're sitting on their phone. Literally, they haven't looked up in 10 seconds, and wow, it's crazy. People are just too loose with their texting and driving habits. It's just sitting in the middle of the road. So, I mean, it's the one thing that's holding me back from driving right now is the fact that, you know, I might get sick, I might get the virus, I might pick somebody up who has the virus, and you know, even if I'm disinfecting the car, I still gotta go back there and clean whatever mess is back there, and I could easily get it while trying to clean the virus. Even though if I'm spraying everything down, even if I'm spraying everything down in between every ride, you're still putting your face in there, you know, and you're in a car and everything's circulating. Sure, roll down my windows, bro. Right, you think that's gonna help? Stuff's still flying around in the car. So anyways, that's just what I want to share with you guys today, the screenshot. What do you guys think about this? I mean, this is unacceptable for me. This is not good. This is not good at all. Anyways, use the link down below for Get Upside if you want to save 25 cents off per gallon of gas, so you can get cash back for PayPal money. Yeah, you can get 20-30 bucks a month easily, 100 bucks a month easily, depending on how much gas you fill up, just to your PayPal. They can send it to your bank. Anyways guys, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.